Hi, in this video we will learn about center of gravity. In standing position, if we bend forward or backwards, we cannot balance and we will fall. What is the role of center of gravity? Let us find many more interesting things about center of gravity in this video. I am Mallikarjun from Hyderabad, India. Welcome to my channel Elite Academy. This solid is in the form of a cone with hemispherical base. It is resting on its hemispherical base. Let us find the condition for the stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium means even if we tilt the solid in any direction, it again comes back and rests in the same position as shown in the figure. Let us find the condition for stable equilibrium. Its axis is along y-axis, vertical direction, and x-axis is parallel to the ground, passing through the common surface of cone and hemisphere. R is the radius and h is the height of the conical part. Let us find the maximum possible height of the conical part so that this solid remains in stable equilibrium. G1 is center of gravity of conical part and G2 is center of gravity of hemispherical part. G1 lies above x-axis and G2 below x-axis. Let us find the center of gravity of some solids. This is the sphere of radius r. Its center of gravity lies at its center, that is at origin. This is hemisphere of radius r. Its center of gravity lies at a distance of 3r/8 from the base. It is denoted by g. So from O to G, the height of center of gravity is given by y bar is equal to 3r/8. This is a solid cone of base radius r and height h. G is its center of gravity. O is the center of the base. So OG is equal to y bar is equal to h/4, where h is the height of the cone. So this is the center of gravity of solid cone. This is solid cylinder of base radius r and height h. Its center of gravity lies exactly at the center of the cylinder along its axis. It is given by y bar is equal to OG is equal to h/2. In this problem, determine the maximum height of the conical part of the solid shown in the figure so that it is in stable equilibrium. The figure is as shown. R is the radius and h is the height of the conical part. Let us find out how to determine the maximum possible height of the conical part. So G1 is center of gravity of conical part and G2 is center of gravity of hemispherical part. Let m1 is equal to mass of cone, which is equal to volume into density. Here volume is 1/3 pi r square h and density is rho. Therefore m1 is equal to 1/3 pi r square h into rho. y1 bar, height of center of gravity, which is equal to h/4. Now For hemisphere, m2 is equal to mass of hemisphere, which is equal to volume into density. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube into density is rho. Center of gravity y2 bar is equal to minus 3r by 8. Why we are taking minus 3r by 8? Because it is below the x axis. So for stable equilibrium, the center of gravity of this solid should lie on common surface. Here common surface is along x axis. X axis is here. This is x axis. When it lies on this axis, then this solid remains in stable equilibrium. So m1 y1 bar plus m2 y2 bar is equal to 0. Here m1 h by 4 plus m2 minus 3r by 8 is equal to 0. So m1 h by 4 minus m2 3r by 8 is equal to 0, or m1 h by 4 is equal to m2 3r by 8. So 1 by 3 pi r square h into rho, this is the mass of the cone, into h by 4, this is y1 bar, is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube into rho, this is mass of the hemisphere, and 3r by 8, this is the center gravity of hemisphere. So let us cancel pi, and then 3 also cancels, r square cube cancels, 2 4s the 8, and 4 also cancels, rho also cancels, and finally we get h square is equal to 3r square, or h is equal to root 3r. This is the maximum height of the conical part, so that the solid remains in stable equilibrium. This solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical base. Let h be the height of the cylindrical part and r is the radius. So you have to determine the maximum height of the cylindrical part, so that the body remains in stable equilibrium. So please find the solution for this and write it in the comment section. What is the maximum possible height of the cylindrical part, so that the solid remains in stable equilibrium? For classroom classes and online coaching, you can contact me. My mail ID is eliteacademyhyd@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.